An FPV drone chase after a vehicle usually doesn't last long. A short pursuit, then boom, a strike, and an explosion. Sometimes, even fancy EW systems can't save you, just like this pickup found out the hard way. Not everyone manages to escape from drones, and in this video we will see epic footage of a pickup truck being chased by a drone and the last seconds of the soldiers who will fight for their lives. The drone flies out to hunt and combs the streets in search of a victim. The entire road is littered with broken equipment, both light and armored. And then FPV drone finds a pickup truck with 3 soldiers inside.
Что там?
Ух ты, твою мать!
Oh shit!
One of them has a shotgun, and a deadly duel with a kamikaze drone begins.
There's a drone right above us.
This time they were lucky and won this duel. However, no one knows how their trip ended, because the second drone could have arrived after the first one.
We're living! We're alive! That was a Ukrainian drone hunting us! Wow! Good job! Спасибо!